The endless water. After days of swimming, Finn began to notice a change in the river. The water grew saltier, and the current pulled more strongly. Strange, colourful fish swam by, creatures Finn had never seen before. Finally, Finn reached the river's mouth, where it met the great ocean. The sight took Finn's breath away. The water stretched endlessly in all directions, shimmering under the sun. Waves rose and fell, and schools of fish darted playfully in the open water. This is it, Finn thought, the great ocean. But the journey wasn't over. The currents were strong, and the vastness of the ocean was overwhelming. Finn felt small and unsure. How will I survive in such a big place? Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.